I saw a nurse bend down and kiss an elderly lady on the forehead, and I said to myself, now that would make a great hospice nurse. This quote was done by Diana Puzinski, and it was taken out of the American Journal of Nursing in 2017. Today I'm going to explain how hospice care began, what hospice is, and other organizations who work with hospice. Hospice provides services to help make elderly patients' last months of life more comfortable and supports the family. Slide number 3. Cicely Saunders in 1967 in London began the first hospice, and that was St. Christopher's. She later went over to Connecticut and she met with Florence Wold, and in 1974 Florence Wold and her team began the very first hospice in the United States in Connecticut. Grace Hospice began in 2006 and it is located in 6 states: Texas, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Grace Hospice, on slide number 4, Grace Hospice works with We Honor Veterans, the National Hospice and Palliative Care Organizations, and the U.S. Medical Management. Hospice provides families with medical supplies, medical equipment, and support while their elderly family member is passing. Grace Hospice was the support that my dad received, and they also helped explain things as were happening to my mom. And slide number 5. Grace Hospice helped my family. When hospice began, my parents were referred by the Battle Creek Veterans Hospital. They set everything up with hospice, and they came into the house, and probably in the last 3 months of my dad's life, they helped support my mom and dad with psychological care, nurses, social workers. They provided a hospital bed when he needed it, and they also provided the pain medications so he was in no pain towards the end. Hospice also went through the 7 steps of dying with my mom, so she knew what was going on and what to expect. Hospice and especially Grace Hospice all provide elderly patients and their family with services that help make the patient's final months pain-free. Grace Hospice helped my mom and my dad, and we probably would not have been able to get through this without them. That's it.